Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on notifications. They should be on the 3rd position. Now let's scroll down and tap on advanced settings, and as you can see on the 2nd position we've got show battery percentage option. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see actually immediately we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.